Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. As usual, we have all the craziest clips from the roads all over the world, and this episode is packed with action. With that being said, let's get this episode started. This driver's fragile ego got hurt all because the biker shook his head at him for being on the phone. Check out what happened next. Speed limit is 20 in this area, and the driver was frustrated with the bikers for actually doing the speed limit. At one point, he got in front of them and it came to a road rage. Check it out.
What do you wanna do? What do you wanna do? What do you wanna do? What do you wanna do?
Bro, I wanna do no. What's wrong with you, man? Bro, he just cut us off and tried to hit us. Bro, I ain't doing anything. Bro. Don't worry, I got it all on camera, bro.
This lady was on her phone, and therefore she was all over the road, nearly hitting the biker head on as well. Watch how she reacted when the biker confronted her, and give me your honest opinion about her.
All over the road there. What's going on?
I had dropped my phone.
You dropped your phone and you're all over the place like that? Are you kidding me? You almost hit me dead on over there.
I'm so sorry. I'm scared to disturb myself to this. I said, oh my God.
You're still doing it after this though.
My husband keeps these seats upward. Like this high as you can see.
No, I'll take your word for it, but good Lord, you almost hit me, and then after I'm behind you, you're going all over the place there. Well, no, don't touch me. Just go do what you got to do.
It's not that important.
What? So you're gonna hug me and forgive me. So if you would kill me, you would have just hugged me.
No way.
All right. Well then, don't. Just go.
I know. My cousin drives a scooter, and I tell him to be careful. But you gotta watch out for her.
As if dangerously passing someone is not enough, check out what this crazy driver did next when the biker pulled up on him.
Šiaip čia eilės yra.
Kas yra?
Čia šiaip eilės yra.
Kur tavo eilė?
Čia viena.
Nu, o čia kokia?
O kaip tu važiavai?
Ką?
O kaip važiavai?
Nu kaip?
Tu šonu pravažiavai, kur eilės nėra.
Dvi eilės yra. Eilės yra. Lėtai nupiešta, kiek mašinų telpa. Tu esi taisyklės, kaip yra, ar ne?
Tai čia eilė ir čia eilė.
Nu, kas tau yra?
Tai tu važiuoti išmok.
Kas tau yra? Kas tau yra negeri? Važiuok, čia to atvirina.
Mirrors are there for a reason, and if you don't use them, you're bound to cause an accident sooner or later. Check out what played out after this close call.
What the f is that? What the f?
I looked. You're sitting in my blind spot. Do you get
There is
that?
no such thing as a blind spot
Yes,
when you
there
look.
is. I did.
I came forward. What the f? Do you want to see it on film?
Go ahead.
Shut the f up. You know nothing about the situation, you dumb f. Mind your f business.
Careless pedestrian was crossing the road without even bothering to look both ways before doing so. Check out what happened after the collision.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! What are you doing? What are you doing? It's a zebra!
didn't see that. That wasn't me, though.
No, you wasn't looking. You said we're crossing just there. What are you doing?
Why you didn't turn?
What is the matter with you? Why did you not look? You gotta look. There's no argument.
It came to a road rage situation because the driver was parked in the middle of the road and he was reversing right after a sharp curve. This is unbelievable.
I'm writing a story that you couldn't fathom. Yeah.
Você é doente, você é maluco, meu. Você é maluco, cara. A fazer esta merda a seguir uma curva, meu. Tu és doente, tu és doente, cara. Tu és doente dos cornos,
I'm given a vision that you can't imagine. Yeah, do I wanna...
This angry old Darren wanted to play the smart guy, but the biker was having none of his idle talk.
Huh? There's no kids out here. I wasn't even going fast, it's just loud, man.
I like the bikes.
I wasn't even going fast, I was going like 40. It's just loud. It's just it's super loud, man.
Sorry about that.
That's okay. I thought you were gonna yell at me.
No, I think because I hear the noise.
Yeah.
But like you said, you got to
No, it's just really loud.
love it.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. Take it easy, man.
Because I love the bikes.
Have a good one, man.
An angry Darren, who is apparently a cop as well, doesn't know what indicators are for. And not only that, he wanted to start trouble with another biker, who was just minding his own business.
Hey, you ever pull a stunt like that again, I'll whip your ass. You understand me?
1 second.
Pull up beside me and you get behind me. Act like you know how to ride a motorcycle.
I thought you were going.
No, you don't know how to ride a motorcycle. You don't pull up beside a guy and then pull in front of oncoming traffic. I'm a cop, by the way.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
All right? Yeah, real nice.
Well, then your aggression shouldn't be dead.
Well, I tell you what, you ever pull a stunt like that again, I'll call a goddamn squad car to come and arrest your ass. You understand me?
Go ahead, my pleasure, buddy.
What'd you say?
I said, go ahead. My pleasure.
Pull up in that goddamn parking lot over there, boy.
You're a cop?
I'm a cop, yeah.
Okay.
Pull up your ass in that goddamn
This old guy has it rough. I kinda feel sorry for him. Who knows what he had to go through his life to end up so salty and bitter.
This guy. What's the problem?
Why? Why?
You can call the police, that's fine. I didn't do anything to you.
Doing a wheelie down the street and hanging me up here.
I'm not hanging anybody up. I'm doing it. Look at it. Tell me how many cars you see around here.
What you did here was doing a wheelie,
Yeah.
off and holding me.
No, I'm not showing off to anyone. There is nobody around here to show off to.
Yes, I have an emergency here.
He's got an emergency.
Juveniles on motorbikes and they're in the process of assaulting me.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Assaulting.
Assaulting. I'm in the front row.
I'm assaulting him.
Please sweet water.
Is this on? Is the camera on?
They're holding me up as far as traffic.
I mean, you could have went. You
at a stop sign.
You could have went already. You're holding yourself up right now.
Mini motorcycle.
You can let him know it's a Honda Grom.
Not only that, I can give you a license number.
No, you can't.
You just got roasted. You just got roasted.
This is how you're supposed to act after a close call with a careless driver. Instead of going all crazy, this biker casually pulled up and they talked it out really nice. This is so refreshing for a change. Check it out.
Cześć kurwa! No ja pierdolę, serio! Prawie się zesrałem, wiesz? Co? Dobra, w porządku, nic się nie stało, rozumiesz, się przestraszyłem trochę.
This crazy pedestrian threw something at the biker, even though the biker was just minding his own business as he was passing by.
Surprise, mother.
He's on the phone still. Jesus. Holy shit, dude. Come on, lady. You can't stop over there, man. It's dangerous, bro. Come on there, devil. Oh, look at this guy. Oh my god, dude. Jesus. It's a nice car, though. He's a stupid ass driver. Look at that. Jesus Christ. Look, and he's still hating the other guy. Can't believe this. Come on, I'll let you go. Go, 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 go. Go. I knew you were gonna go there, bro. Why are you braking, bro? On my face. Stop. I know you made a blinker. Thank God you looked. Oh, because fat ass. You can't go around! It's one lane! Stop that shit!
And with this clip, we reached the end of yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you enjoyed watching and learning something as well from these crazy people's behavior patterns. If you like my work and support it, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel as well. It helps the channel grow, and without your support, none of this would be even possible. Thank you once again, and until the next episode, ride safe and take care.